Good morning, dear students. In the last class we have discussed about the prevention of corrosion and amalgam. Okay, so what is the prevention of the corrosion? What are the methods is there? Galvanization, greasing, painting. These methods are we are discussing, and today I am going to discuss about the exercise questions. Okay, so in that exercise questions, only few questions only I want to. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the some few difficult questions. Except these questions, if you have any doubts means you can ask me any question, no problem, but some of the questions only I want to discuss. Okay, see the first question of the exercise: which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? Which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? They given four options. First option is the sodium chloride solution and copper metal, sodium chloride solution and copper metal, and magnesium chloride solution and aluminium metal, and third one iron sulfate solution and silver metal, fourth one silver nitrate solution and copper metal. Okay, they given the four options. In this, which one is correct? Which one shows the will give the displacement reaction? How can we identify which is the correct option? Here we have to check the metals and their salt. First one, sodium chloride solution and copper metal. Here copper is a less reactive than sodium, so that's why this copper does not displace the sodium from the sodium chloride. Copper does not displace the sodium from the sodium chloride. That's why it is a wrong option. Okay, it won't be give displacement reaction. And second one, magnesium chloride solution. This is a solution and aluminium metal. Okay, aluminium is a less reactive than the magnesium. Magnesium, aluminium, here which is a more reactive? Magnesium is a more reactive, aluminium is a less reactive. That's why it won't be displace the magnesium from the magnesium chloride. And third option, silver metal is given and iron given. Compare then silver and iron, which is a more reactive? Silver is a less reactive, iron is a more reactive. That's why silver does not displace the iron from the iron sulfate solution. Okay, next, copper. Silver nitrate is there, copper is there. Which is a more reactive? Copper is a more reactive than silver. Silver is less reactive. That's why this copper metal is displace the silver from silver nitrate. So fourth option is a correct. Fourth option is a correct. Okay. All are will think here sodium chloride is there. This sodium is a highly reactive than copper. That's why this sodium is displaced the copper, like that they will think. But that is wrong. Why? Because this is a pure metal. This is a salt. Pure metal will be displaced from the salt, but not from the salt. Pure metal won't be displaced. Okay. So that is the logic. And see the second question. Which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? Which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? Okay, which method we have to use for the prevent the rusting of iron pan? Here first one is applying grease, second one is applying paint, applying a coating of zinc, all of the above. Okay, applying grease also it is a prevent the rust, applying paint also it will be prevent the, it is also rust, it will be prevent the rust, applying a coating of zinc also it will be rust. Okay, these are all methods are prevent the rust, but they given here particular iron frying pan. For the iron frying pan, we have to use the coating of zinc. Why we are using only coating of zinc? What about the grease and paint? Coating of grease and paint would get destroyed when pan heated and washed. Okay, if we coat the grease and paint means what will happen? This coating of grease and paint would get destroyed. It will be destroyed. Why it will be destroyed? Because of when pan is heated and washed again and again. If we washed again and again means that coating will be destroyed. But zinc not like that. Zinc won't be removed from the iron pan. That's why we are applying a coating of zinc only. That's why we are applying a coating of zinc. So C option correct. And third question. So third question, they given some elements, some metals. In that metal, they given one hint point. What is the hint point? That metal will be reacts with oxygen and it will be soluble in water. Okay, in that calcium is soluble in water and calcium will be react with oxygen. So calcium option is correct. Which metal is suitable? Calcium. Calcium is correct answer. Next, fourth question. Once you have to see the fourth question. Food cans. In the daily life in outside we are observing the food cans. Food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc. What is the reason? Food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc. What is the reason they are asking? Why? Because here tin they given and zinc they given. Both are metals, but they are coated with tin only, not with zinc. Zinc is more reactive than tin. Between zinc and tin, which is a more reactive? Zinc is a more reactive than tin. That's why we are using the food cans coated with tin and not with zinc. It is a more reactive, that's why it will be react with food. That's why we did not use the zinc. We can use the tin. This is the reason. Next, fifth question. Metals and non-metals. How can we distinguish? Okay, when we are distinguishing metals and non-metals, one is the physical properties. Okay, in the question they given the hammer, battery, bulb they given. Already we did the activity also. Okay, so these are the physical properties. Okay, with hammer, battery, bulb, these are the physical properties. With the hammer, it will be run into the already we are discussing about the physical properties, malleable, ductility, that is okay. Based on the physical properties, we can distinguish the metals and non-metals. They given hammer, battery, bulb. Okay, these are the related to the physical properties.